A personal blender is a convenient kitchen appliance that can help simplify your cooking, whether you make a smoothie every morning or love to whip up a blended drink after work. These compact and powerful devices can also help with meal prep, including making a quick salsa or salad dressing as well. A personal blender is great for individuals who are only making a single serving versus blending for a family. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 personal blenders on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. NutriBullet Personal Blender. The original NutriBullet blender makes your morning routine a breeze with its simple design and easy to clean blades. The blender's design makes it easy to operate by pushing down on the cup while it is attached to the base. It can also lock into place by twisting the cup into the base, allowing for hands-free blending. During testing, the blender combined ingredients quickly for our smoothie recipes, creating a smooth and consistent texture for each beverage. It blended ice, blueberries, kale, and peanut butter seamlessly in about 30 seconds. Some ingredients, like the dates, took longer than 30 seconds to blend, but it eventually combined all of the ingredients effectively. The blender base is somewhat bulky and tall with the cup attached, so it might take up extra space on your kitchen counter. However, the ease of cleaning this blender makes up for the size. Number 2. Ninja BN401 NutriPro Personal Blender. If you're short on space, the best personal blender is the Ninja NutriPro. The blender has powerful blending ability thanks to its 1100-watt motor, yet it has a compact and streamlined design. The blender features multiple settings, including crush, smoothie, and pulse, though using it is simple. After you fill the cup with your ingredients, you just twist it into the base. There are suction cups on the bottom of the base that keep it firmly attached to the counter, which is helpful while the blender is in use. All of the parts are dishwasher safe and easy to wash by hand. It comes with 2 blender cups and travel lids, so you can take smoothies on the go. However, the to-go cup started to leak slightly from the top when we laid it on its side during testing. Despite the slight leak in the travel lid, the blender cup did not leak while blending. Number 3. NutriBullet Pro 900-watt Personal Blender. Overall, the NutriBullet Pro 900 is the best personal blender to consider. We appreciated the simple design that was effective at blending a variety of ingredients, like frozen fruit and leafy greens. The blender comes with 2 different blending cups and attachable flip-top lids. It also includes a recipe book with inspiration for how to make different smoothies, sauces, dressings, cocktails, and more. There was virtually no blueberry skin or unblended kale left in our smoothie, and it fully blended the dates and peanut butter. Each of the smoothies was smooth and had a consistent texture, no matter what ingredients we used. To use the blender, you simply attach it to the base and twist it into place. Its small size is convenient for making smoothies and other small servings. The blender has only one speed and the design is intuitive, so there isn't room for error when making your favorite drinks. Number 4. Ninja BL480D Nutri Personal Blender. The Ninja blender with Auto IQ technology is designed with a range of settings to achieve your desired consistency when blending different ingredients. It features multiple buttons to change the blend settings, including options like Pulse, Ultra Blend, and Regular Blend, so it's one of the best personal blenders if you're looking for a versatile option. The set includes 2 blender cups with spout lids and a recipe book of 75 unique recipes for soups, juices, sauces, and other meal alternatives. During testing, the blender combined the smoothie ingredients, including ice and frozen fruit, in around 60 seconds. The blender's high wattage ensures a smooth, consistent texture even when blending frozen ingredients. The blender is relatively simple to use, but the Auto IQ technology took some getting used to when we tested it in our lab. The blender combines pulsing and blending patterns to achieve the perfect mixture. Number 5. Cuisinart CPB 300 Blender. The Cuisinart Personal Blender's large capacity is ideal for families who like to prepare multiple smoothie servings at one time. Thanks to the included travel bottles and lids, you can blend a large batch and divide it into smaller cups. The blender has 3 settings: low, high, and pulse. The settings help blend your smoothie exactly how you like it to create the perfect texture. During our tests, the blender fully blended ingredients like peanut butter, ice, and frozen bananas. However, it took extra time to incorporate some of the other ingredients, including blueberries and kale. The blender has a slim design that is lightweight and easy to move around. It makes very minimal noise, so you can operate the blender without disturbing your family. Aside from the base, all of the components are dishwasher safe, so the blender is easy to clean. Even the blade is removable and dishwasher safe. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.